Today we're doing something extremely exciting. When I expand my garden, I just do a few beds or a few containers at a time. I don't want to overload myself because it is a lot of work to get the initial setup all ready for those first garden plants. So let's take a look at what we have here. First, we built our Vego beds. Then we added construction cloth on the very bottom because we do have gophers and moles in our area, and this will stop them from coming underneath and eating all my wonderful plants later on. Next, we went ahead and put wonderful chip mulch. And this is a free resource. By filling up the garden beds first with this, it allows me to save a lot of money. It allows for decomposition to be happening, and it's a wonderful way to make this the most effective thing for the garden. Next is the best part. We get to add this planting soil, and I picked planting soil that was organic, that's rich in wonderful nutrients, that doesn't have a lot of bark or pieces that are large. This soil, as you'll see in just a few minutes, we're gonna spread all across, and then I'm gonna finish this beautiful bed off with organic compost. One of the best ways you can mulch anything and continue to bring nutrients into your bed. Finally, we're gonna be going ahead and adding irrigation to both of the beds, and then we're ready for planting. All right, let's start filling up this bed with wonderful organic potting soil. We're gonna have this filled up in no time. And whether you order your soil from a soil company or get it bagged, just make sure it's quality organic soil, because you want to be able to have your plants be able to move, the roots grow, and everything get wonderful nutrition from what you are planting. Otherwise, why is it even worth planting anything? So grab really great soil, make sure it's good, and then plant away. Here you can see that this bed is all filled up with organic soil, and then at the very top, compost. This soil, this bed is ready for planting. Thanks for watching this quick video on how we built our Vego beds and how you can put them together. Subscribe for more life-giving garden videos.